Here's an example of a project we do in 123 where we look at different wages that you would make and how much house you can afford in different aspects of your financial situation. So if you made 60,000 a year, you would figure out, what percent of that could go to your monthly payment for a house. Then we use Excel formulas to determine your mortgage, and we look at how much does that compare to someone making 25,000 straight out of high school. And we can kind of do different formulas to calculate things. And the neat thing that we teach them in Excel is how to set up formulas so if you change one number, the entire spreadsheet will change. And so that's really kind of a cool thing. Here you can see they're making I think it's a 2.5% raise every year. And if I just change this number to 40, change this number right here to 70,000, all this stuff updates because we've taught them how to link all the formulas together. So I think teaching them that in Excel is a very useful skill for that. And we do that with this project 3.